Baby. A baby is a small, innocent, and precious human being. Babies are born into the world with no knowledge or understanding. They rely on adults for everything, from feeding to sleeping. Every baby is a miracle, and they bring joy to their families. In this essay, we will explore the life of a baby, how babies grow and develop, and what makes them so special. When a baby is born, it is a new beginning for both the baby and the family. Babies cannot talk or walk when they are born. They communicate by crying, which is their way of asking for help. They cry when they are hungry, tired, or need a diaper change. Parents must learn to understand what their baby needs by listening carefully to their cries. One of the first things a baby does is eat. Babies drink milk, either from their mother or from a bottle. Milk is important for babies because it helps them grow strong and healthy. At first, babies drink milk many times a day. As they grow, they start to drink less often but in larger amounts. Around 6 months old, babies begin to eat solid foods such as mashed fruits and vegetables. This is an exciting time because babies get to try new tastes and textures. Sleep is also very important for babies. Newborn babies sleep a lot, usually 16 to 18 hours a day. As they get older, they need less sleep, but they still take naps during the day. A well-rested baby is usually a happy baby. Parents work hard to create a calm and comfortable environment for their babies to sleep in. Babies need a safe place to sleep, such as a crib, where they can rest without distractions. Babies grow very quickly. In the first year of life, they double or even triple their birth weight. They start to develop skills that will help them explore the world. Around 3 to 4 months, babies learn to hold their heads up. By 6 months, they can usually sit with support. By the time they are 1 year old, many babies are learning to crawl, stand, or even take their first steps. Each baby develops at their own pace, and it is important to remember that all babies are different. One of the most special moments for parents is when their baby smiles for the first time. A baby's smile can light up a room and bring happiness to everyone around them. Babies begin to smile around 2 months of age. As they grow, they also start to laugh and make sounds. These are the first steps in communication. By babbling, babies learn how to use their voices. Soon, they will begin to say simple words like mama and dada. This is an exciting time for parents as they see their baby's personality starting to shine through. Babies also learn by playing. Playtime is important for a baby's development. Babies love to explore the world around them. They like to touch, taste, and grab things. Toys are a great way for babies to learn about colors, shapes, and sounds. Simple toys like rattles, soft animals, and blocks can help babies improve their hand-eye coordination and motor skills. Babies also enjoy looking at colorful books and hearing stories, even though they do not understand the words yet. Babies form strong bonds with the people who take care of them. This bond is called attachment. A secure attachment helps a baby feel safe and loved. Babies usually form the strongest attachment with their parents, but they can also bond with other family members, like grandparents and siblings. Holding, cuddling, and talking to a baby helps build this attachment. A baby who feels secure is more likely to explore their world with confidence. As babies grow, they start to show different emotions. At first, a baby might only show happiness or sadness. But as they get older, they begin to express more emotions like surprise, fear, or frustration. Babies can get scared of loud noises or unfamiliar people. They may also feel upset when their parents leave the room. This is normal and is called separation anxiety. Over time, babies learn that their parents will come back, and they start to feel more comfortable being away from them for short periods. Taking care of a baby can be a lot of work. Parents must feed, bathe, and change their baby every day. Babies also need a lot of attention and love. It can be tiring, but most parents find that the joy their baby brings makes it all worth it. Watching a baby grow and learn is one of the most rewarding experiences a parent can have. Babies are also very curious. They want to touch everything and put things in their mouths. This is how they explore their environment. It is important for parents to keep their home safe for their baby. They need to make sure that dangerous objects, like small toys, sharp items, or chemicals, are out of the baby's reach. Babies are quick, and they can get into trouble if they are not watched carefully. Around the age of 1, babies celebrate their first birthday. This is a special milestone because it marks the end of their first year of life. By this time, babies have usually learned to do many things like crawl, eat solid foods, and say a few words. A baby's first birthday is a time for family and friends to celebrate how much the baby has grown. As babies continue to grow, they become toddlers. This is a new stage of life with new challenges and joys. Toddlers are more independent and can walk, talk, and play in more advanced ways. But no matter how old they get, parents will always remember the special moments of their baby's first year. Babies are also a symbol of hope and the future. They represent new beginnings and the potential for growth and change. Every baby brings something unique to the world. As they grow, they will learn, make friends, and develop their own personalities. Parents often wonder what kind of person their baby will become and what they will achieve in life. In conclusion, babies are amazing little people who bring love and joy to the world. They grow and change quickly, learning new things every day. While taking care of a baby can be hard work, it is also incredibly rewarding. Babies teach us about patience, love, and the importance of family. Watching a baby grow from a tiny newborn to a curious toddler is one of the most wonderful experiences in life. Every baby is special, and the love they bring into the world is priceless.